Your kitchen island light turning on. You have the ability to put it to a dimmer switch, a timer switch, increase and decrease your brightness of up to 100-watt maximum. With the black aluminum and white interior, with the wood-like finish, with a cord up to 6 feet to hang. Diyel Farmhouse Kitchen Island Pendant Lantern. It's 20 inches in diameter. Comes in instruction, well packaged, made of metal. We're going to show you what it looks like hooked up. A maximum of 100-watt light bulb can be installed. Hardware, wood-like finish, made of metal with enough cord and your bracket to hook up to hang over your island or anywhere you need light. You're going to locate your area to hang. You're going to wire up and place on the bolts. With your switch, turn the light on, hook it up to a dimmer switch, timer, and you can increase and decrease your light over wherever you need to have light. I hope you enjoy your barnyard pendant light fixture wherever you use it. Thank you for viewing.